Hi, I'm Jessica Davis. I'm co-owner of Poor Betty's. We are a Louisiana-style food truck here in Valdez. We are a Louisiana-style po' boy shop offering high-quality Cajun fare. And we treat every customer like they're eating at our table at home. We serve family recipes from Southeast Louisiana. We wanted to bring the flavors from our previous home to our new home. The local favorites are gumbo, red beans and rice, and all of our po' boys. We are named after our dog, Betty Roo. When we first decided to open the shop, we were talking about how we wouldn't have enough time to spoil the dog with our new schedule. So I looked over at the dog and said, "Aw, poor Betty," and then our brand was born. Each item has its own blend of spices. We make our sauces fresh every day. We use local halibut. We feature Alaskan reindeer sausage. We don't think anything on the menu is spicy, but we suck the head out of crawfish, so don't take our word for it. The original po' boy was made in the 20s. Now it is a favorite all over Louisiana. We hope that you enjoy our Alaskan twist. Everything that we serve is made in our kitchen. I love doing business in Valdez because the community of Valdez is as excited about Poor Betty's as we are.